you'll be doing GCSE math. So here is a prediction for GCSE 1F foundation paper, so that when you're going to do the November paper, you are ready, prepared. And I'm going to go through a main concept that you really need to know, main concept you need to focus as far as that exam is concerned. If you're new to Proflan YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that in time I'm going to upload a tutorial, you'll be notified. So let me take you through exactly what you really need to, what I feel is quite important as far as this exam is concerned. So this is a foundation paper, so it's 8 marks, and it's a non-calculator paper. So you may be given questions whereby you are expected to arrange from the smallest to the largest, and then remember, the bigger a negative number it is, the smaller it is. So meaning, in this case here, the smallest number is -6 and the largest number is 12, like that. You can also be given questions whereby they are decimals, and then you are supposed to arrange these numbers so that you can have them in ascending order or descending order. Ascending order means from the smallest to the largest. Descending is from the largest to the smallest. So that one you need also to know that. You need to know how to express questions which are in decimals to percentages, or percentage to decimals, percentages to fractions. Take note of that. You are given 15%, and then you are supposed to express as a decimal. You can be able to do it, and make sure you go through how to multiply decimals. Ensure you know how to manipulate questions which have main signs. Remember, using body mass. Bracket comes first, and then you divide. So if you have multiplication, so you need to use body mass. And we have body mass. My marker is really frustrating. It's not really behaving. I have to change to a better one. We have board mass. So meaning that if you are having 7 plus 6 divided by 2 times 3 minus 1 plus 6. Yeah. So when you're having all these operations, which one will come first? According to you, which one will come first? For us, we shall deal with board mass, and in that case, of course, brackets. If bracket appears, you are going to work out those brackets first. So that will mean that you are going to have 7 plus 6 divided by 2 times 3 plus. Now you have to work out, this becomes what? 7, because 1 plus 6 is 7. You do away with the bracket. Then off is not there. Division. Do we have division? Yes. Which group? This one and this one. Okay. So meaning that also we're going now to work out this. That will be 7 plus, this will be 3 times 3 plus 7. Again, we have now multiplication. Multiplication is appearing here. So that will be 7 plus, this will give us 9 plus 7. And then now we can comfortably add them, because this will be now this plus this plus this, which is going to 7 plus 7 will be give us 14. Then plus 9, that will give us 23 as the final answer. So meaning that as far as you are preparing for that exams, you need to put it in mind that you may be given to questions to do with addition, subtractions, and multiplication signs being in one particular question. So that one you need to use board mass. Take a gap. Then we need to go down. You need to know how to deal with fractions, writing down the first even multiples of 7. So question like that, you need to know how to work them out. Question to do with algebra, question to do with fractions, you need to functions, question to do with functions. Also, you need to be able to do such questions. Ratio questions, also you need to practice on the same. I've worked out this. You can check the PDF of this in the description so that you can be able to download it. And also there is a detailed video having all these steps, the way I explained all through when I was just preparing this. So make sure you check in the description so that you can know exactly what you are expected to do. Fractions also is areas that you need really to check on. Statistics, drawing a frequency polygon. We have questions to do with interior and exterior angles of regular polygons. I have a detailed videos on that, so make sure you check through how I explain that. Finding shaded region, angles. I can see here we have a straight line and representing them on a graph, a straight line graph. Also, you'll not miss question to do with uh, combined pie chart like this. Yeah, do a pie chart like this one, compound. You'll expect to see question to do with probability. You'll expect to see question to do with probability. We have profit, angles, yeah, some pictograms, transformation. Also, you see this is now a reflection on the mirror line that is given at this given point. So we have a tree diagram. So make a point of checking through how I worked out these questions so that you can be able to be prepared for that exam. If you are new to ProfLearn YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that anytime I'm going to upload a tutorial, you'll be notified. All the best in your November exams. See you in the next.